He is my brother.
He is my brother.
She is my sister.
She is my sister.
I am going home.
I am going home.
He is my neighbor.
He is my neighbor.
I need your help.
I need your help.
I love my family.
I love my family.
I sell vegetables.
I sell vegetables.
I am very happy.
I am very happy.
I learn English.
I learn English.
I like mangoes.
I like mangoes.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
I send a message.
I send a message.
I think about my future.
I think about my future.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
May I see your bag?
May I see your bag?
I teach English.
I teach English.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I play football.
I play football.
I write a letter.
I write a letter.
I make a cake.
I make a cake.
I cook fish.
I cook fish.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I throw a stone.
I throw a stone.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.